Been out of action for a couple of days, took a chunk out of my thumb with a carving knife. You know a song called Speed at the Sound of Loneliness, written by John Prine, who unfortunately passed last week with the coronavirus. You come home late and you come home early. Come on big when you're feeling small. Come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have I done? Broken speed at the sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. I've a heart that burns with a fever. I've a worried and a jealous mind. How can a love that lasts forever get so left so far behind? What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have I done? Broken the speed at the sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. Mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow crossed that evil line today. How can we ask about tomorrow when we ain't got a word to say? What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have I done? Broken the speed at the sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have I done? Broken the speed to the sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. Out there running just to be on the run.